record this, that way it doesn't keep cutting in and out. So the first one, you said you're good with Pitocin, so let's go to, here's this one with with the kids' weight. So it says the doctor, actually get you closer. The doctor orders Zithromax for child that weighs 54 pounds. The safe dose range for this medication is 10 to 12 milligrams per kilogram a day. Was the maximum safe dose, daily dose for this child. So we're automatically going to do, the conversion. So 54 pounds divided by the 2.2, which is, let me get a calculator up, because I thought I brought mine, but I did not. Which, by the way, we have the same calculator. I spotted yours earlier. 2.2, so that's going to be 24.54, blah, blah, blah. So I'm not going to exit out of this. I'm going to leave this. And we're going to do the times automatically right here, which is the maximum dose you can give. And that was 12 milligrams per kilogram. So we're going to times that. So now we got 29.54, repeating. So that is going to be your answer. You're going to take max dose, and it's going to be 294.5, because 4 doesn't round up, and you leave it at that tenths is what she was telling me. And then the next one, let's see if we got another one. I don't know if you're struggling with these ones, but I know a girl in class was with the magnesium sulfate ones. So this is you're going to do milliliters per hour like you do with the Pitocin. So set up your equation with milliliters per hour first equals, and then we're going to go, you have a bag of 40 grams of magnesium sulfate and 500 milliliters of LR. Order is for 4 gram bolus over 30 minutes. Calculate the rate to set the IV. Okay, so we want milliliters per hour, and we know we have 500 milliliters because you're always starting with what you need. And so since we need milliliters, we're going to start with 500 milliliters. And that 500 milliliters comes in 40 grams. So we're going to put 40 grams right under the 500 milliliters. So now we need to get rid of grams because we need milliliters per hour. And we were ordered to give 4 gram bolus over 30 minutes. So now what you're going to do is take that and plug in your 4 grams to get rid of your grams. And that was per 30 minutes. Okay, so then you're going to do 30 minutes under that. And since you need hours, you're going to try to get rid of these minutes by doing 60 minutes here over 1 hour. So now you got your hour. By the way, this helps me so much to start with this here and circle the ones that I need. So that way I know I've canceled out everything. And I'm going to end with what I needed. So now you'll just take your 500 milliliters times 4 times 60. Which is going to give me 120,000. We'll write that down here. And then we're going to take the bottom row and do 40 times 30 times 1. So I got 40 times 30 times 1, which is going to equal 1,200. And then you divide that all. So take your 120. That would have been bad. By 1,200. And you got 100 milliliters per hour. Right answer. Let's see what other ones we got. Oh, here's a good one because this is the same one, but it's worded different. So, a physician ordered a 4 gram bolus for your patient to run over 1 hour. You have a bag of 40 grams and magnesium sulfate and 500 milliliters of LR. What would you set your IV pump to? So again, you're going to do your milliliters per hour because that's what you're going to set your rate to. You're going to take your 500 like we did earlier because that's mLs over 40 grams. And this time, you're going to put 4 grams over 1 hour. And so you got an hour, you got your 500 milliliters, and you're going to multiply across. So 500 times 4 is 900, I think, right? It's 2,000. I was wrong. I would have been way wrong. Why was I thinking 900? My brain's fried. Okay. Divided by 40. Because that's what we got left. And then divide your 2,000 by 40. You got 50. Which makes sense because your first one was 100 mLs over an hour. So it makes sense that it's 50. At least to me it does. If it doesn't to you, I say that because this was over 30 minutes. So you would have double the rate of what you're going to have here. And then let's see what else. Let's do another one of these doctor's orders. So the doctor orders Moxil for a child that weighs 82 pounds. The safe dosage range for this medication is 60 milligrams per kilogram every day for 6 hours. So this is where this one gets tricky. You just gotta remember, you're gonna read what this says. So this says per dose. So you're gonna want to divide everything at the end by 4 to get your safe dose for the child, because they want to know each 6 hours what is your dose going to be. So divide 24 hours by 6, you got 4. So you're going to take your 82 pounds, divide by 2.2. This is how my teacher told me to do it. Just go straight into it. Times 60. And then divide by the 4 for the 24 hours. And then you'll get this number, which is 55909. So then you're going to round up to the tenths, and that's 559.1 for the max dose. And again, let me just write this out so you get it a little bit more broken down. So again, the 82 divided by 2.2, which equaled 37.27, repeating, and you're going to leave that on the calculator, don't touch it. And then from there you're going to multiply by the 60 milligrams and then divide by the 4 for the 24 hours divided by 6, and then that will give you the 559.09, round up for the 559.1. All right, girl, if you still need help, let me know. I'll go through even more of them.